In your stash you will find this piece of paper, and this is again we are going to use it as a base for our second page. So go ahead and since it's a leftover, it is already 7 inches in size. So go ahead and cut, like measure 8 inches and cut it. Put this piece in your stash. We are going to make same pocket as we did for our first page. So get white cardstock. Okay. So in your stash you will find this white cardstock, which is 8.5 across, and on this side measure over 4.5 and cut it. Okay. Again we are going to use our Martha Stewart border punch, and we are going to punch it across 8.5 side. Okay, so we have this piece ready. Just to show you, this is if you measure from top, it is around, like it is 3 by 3/4. Okay, and across it is 8.5. Okay, let's, where is my tacky glue? Okay, yeah. So we are going to do same thing what we did for our first page. I am going to put glue at the bottom. And then I'm going to put this piece like in the form of pocket. Just make sure that you are leaving almost same distance on both sides. Okay, it's like this, and then this extra side we are going to tuck it behind like this, the glue. Okay, so this is ready. Now we are going to put paper, like Prima paper on top. So in your stash you will have leftover from our first page. We are going to measure. So this is 7, and over here if we measure from this to here, it is around, okay, so we are going to measure 3 by 1/8 and 6 by 7/8. So let's see which one we will like to get. 3 by 1/8 and 6 by 7/8. So this looks nice. Okay, so now you have this piece ready, which is 3 by 1/8, and on this side it is 6 by 7/8. Okay, put this remaining paper in your stash and go ahead and put this piece on your pocket. Okay, this looks nice. Make sure that you are leaving even space around this cardstock. I mean the design paper. Okay, so this is ready, and now we'll go put our pretty lace over here. Okay. Voila. Okay, so this pocket is ready. So let's see if we put these two next to each other, this both pockets will align nicely, like these laces will align pretty nicely on each other and they will look pretty. Okay, now we are going to create fold out over here. Okay. Now take a white cardstock, measure over 5.5 and cut it. So one more thing is we are going to need this 8.5. So across this 11-inch side, measure over 5.5 and cut it. Put this in our stack pile. Now we are going to score. So first scoring is going to be at 7 by 3/4. So measure over 7 by 3/4 and score it. And second one is going to be at 7.5. Okay, we have these two score lines. Just fold it. And this portion we'll tuck it behind our base mat. And one more thing we are going to do in this case is we are going to use our beautiful desiree die cut. So we are going to put it over here and pass it through our die cut machine. So I'll be back. Okay, so I have done die cut on. I did die cut on this, so I'm just going to trim it over here and on this side. Let me tell you this exact size of this, so that if in case if you are using any punch or any other die, you can adjust your size accordingly. So this is around 2 inches like in size. Okay, isn't it looking so pretty? It's so beautiful die. I love this die. Okay, so next thing is we are going to place this on this side, this. Okay, so it should be okay. So you can use your scoring tape or glue, whatever you are comfortable with, but just make sure that don't put glue or score tape on the score line. And then you can put this piece over here. Just make sure or eyeball it that you are leaving equal space on both sides. So this is how it is going to be. Wow, it's so pretty. Okay, so let's measure this side. This is around 5.5, and this is again 5.5. So we'll be cutting a piece which is around, let me see, 5.5. So 5 by 3/8. So it will be over here, 5 by 3/8. So 5.5 is over here, and we are going to cut the square of our Prima paper like 5 by 3/8 into 5 by 3/8. Okay. So in your stash you will have this again leftover, and let's see which one will go. This is 5 by 3/8. I think this will go well on this. Yep. Okay, since I want this piece, I will just put it over here like this, and I'm going to measure 5 by 3/8. Oops. Okay, so this is 5 by 3/8. So this is 5.5 and 3/8 over here. Put this piece in stash. Okay, so on this side it is nice, and I'm going to cut it from here again 5 by 3/8. Or I like this numbers here, so maybe I will cut it like this 5 by 3/8. Okay, here we go. This is so pretty. I think I have this pencil mark from our previous piece. I'll just erase this. Okay, so now I have got this lace from Hobby Lobby. So this is around, let me put this. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so it's up to you, whatever you want to use you can use, but I'm using lace just to give some different effect to our mats. So this is 2.5 in size. So I'm going to create a pocket with this lace. So I'll just eyeball it and cut little more piece so that we can tuck it around. And I want this flower here, so you know, I want this to give this flower. So what I will do, instead of putting it on top, I will put it over here, and over here I'll put some more lace so to hide this. Okay, now it looks pretty because we can see this flower over here now. And this remaining portion you can tuck it in the back. This is a nice pocket here, and what I will do, I will gently go and put it over here. Just make sure that you are leaving proper space around. Okay. And now if you want, you can put this small piece of lace here, just to, so that it will align this flowery lace on the main page. Okay, and it will look pretty. I love using laces and flowers. So totally liking it. I'm very happy with it. So I have like another lace that I made. It's a crochet lace. So let's see if this piece goes well over here, how it looks. Or it is too bulky here. I'm not sure. Let me check another one. Okay, so I have this another crochet lace leftover piece in my stash, and I think this will look pretty on over here. So I'll just go ahead and put it over here. Wow, this is looking so pretty. Okay, wow, isn't it looking so pretty? Wow, it's pretty. Okay, and now we are going to put piece over here, and let's see what we have. So we are going to cut the same piece what we did for over here, the same size. I think it was 5 by 3/8 in size. And if you don't know the ruling measurements, I will below this video I have or at the end of this video I have the picture of ruler measurements, so you can refer to that. Okay, so in your stash again you will find this piece. Let's see, we need 5 and 3/4. So this is 5. Okay, so we can make use of this piece. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to use this piece. So measure over 5 and 3/4 and cut it. Leave this piece in your stash. Measure over 5 and 3/4 and cut it. Okay, and this side. Leave this piece, the remaining piece, in our stash. One thing we are going to do here is I'm going to put magnet so that this will hold nicely, like this flap will hold nicely. So I got this neodymium magnets from Home Depot, and it's a pack of 12. So what I'm going to do is this piece is going to be, let's see, not like this, yeah, like this. I'm going to put it like this. also over here I am going to put this magnet, maybe here. That is, like, I will tell you, where is my scale? Okay, yeah, it's here. So in the center, around 1.5 inches from this die cut. So around 1.5 inches, and in the center. For this, we are going to put glue on all 4 sides. And just make sure that these words are facing towards the die cut, and you are not placing it on this core line. If you want, you can put lace here. Maybe, let's see if I can use this. It will be too bulky here. Or what I can use here, this is small lace. Or I can just leave it as it is, because I don't want to make this too much bulky over here, so I will just leave it like this.